Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm doing a eyeshadow tutorial that I call Peachy. So to start off, you're going to add a new layer. Put the blending mode on multiply. And using the third color in the palette, on airbrush normal, basically define the crease. You can just go in a dome shape. And then I like to blend this out. So whenever I do one side, I just duplicate to the other side to make things go more faster. After you've done that, you're going to add a new layer again. Put the blending mode on multiply. Using the fourth color in the palette. Do the same thing, but mostly focus on the crease area. Going to blend this out. And also turn down the opacity. For the next step, you're going to add a new layer. Switch your brush to felt tip pen hard. Using the second color from the palette, you're going to cut your crease. So I use the, what's this one called? The oval shape ruler, I think, to help me with getting a good shape. And then I just shape it up according to how I want it. Now it's time to add the glitter. So you're going to add a new layer and clip it to the cut crease layer. Using the sequin pen, you're going to use the brightest shading palette and apply it all over. So my crease area is looking a little pale, so I'm just gonna go back in and give it some more intensity. The next step is to add a liner, and I'm going to use a dip pen hard and black. On a new layer, of course. Okay, so when you get to the end right here, you're just going to give it a little flick like that. Want it to look more upward like a cat eye. And then you draw your triangular looking shape. Fill it in. And then thicken the outer edge of the liner. And then you come back down as you get closer to the corner of the eye. Alright, so for this part, I'm just going to use the eraser with the line tool to kind of get this bit right here straight. Oops. Yeah, just like that. Alright. So you decide if you want to stop right here or if you want to thicken the look of it some more. You can go ahead and do that, because that's what I'm going to do right now. And once you're done, you just copy to the other side. Alright, so the next step is to smoke out the bottom lash section of the eye. So I'm going to use this color to do so. Add a new layer and using airbrush normal, turn down the brush and just apply the color right along the bottom here. Then blur this out. And so what I like to do is a little cleanup. And then using the blur tool to smoke out the bottom section. And for the inner corners, you're going to use this yellow color using the airbrush particle. On a new layer. Sorry, I forgot to mention to change the blending mode to add. And then basically just clean it up using the eraser on the same brush. Then I'm going to clean out the inside of the eye.